One sentence I will tell in Telugu. Okay, very good, Nana. Now, take next page. Take next page and write 3 tables. And write 3 tables, Nana, in the notebook. In the notebook, try to write 3 tables. You know how to write 3 tables? By using 5 boxes. Last 5 boxes. Today I am not going to draw because you are already habituated there. Yes? So by using 5 boxes, last 5 boxes, you try to write this CW. Above the margin, give the heading CW divide. This is the margin. Write today's date 27/1/21. After that, write 3 table ma. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Complete the table, Nana. Last 5 boxes you have to use. Already you know, na, that's why I'm not drawing the line. Okay, you know how to write the table side. Right side on the page. Nathan Sahab, many more happy returns of the day, Nana. God bless you. Have a nice day. Try to complete this table fast. Okay, leave this first line after completion is 3 tables. Leave the first line and write this one. By using 3 tables we have to do. So 3, here number is 63. 63 is nothing but dividend. What it is? Dividend. Okay, Nana? Shall I start? Yes, are you ready? Okay, now listen. First rule, again I'm writing here. Just first digit I'm writing. First digit, first rule. Second rule, table. Third rule, subtraction. Okay, 3 rules I wrote. For every time you have to check those 3 rules. First digit checking, table checking, subtraction. Okay, now start. First digit checking. First rule is first digit checking. Now 6. First digit I told you. Now tell me. 6 is small than the table? No, you are grown up. Will you take 3 help? Will you take 3 help? No need. Why, you are somewhat grown up. No need 3 help. So forget about that 3. Okay, Nana? So here first digit 6 is not small than 3. That's why no need to take 3 help. No need to take 3 help because somewhat you are grown up. You can ignore your friend. You can ignore your friend. No need to bother about your friend. So forget about that. Okay? Now, so second rule, table checking. What is the second rule? Table checking. In 3 tables, you will get 6 check nana. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3 plus. One more thing I want to tell you. Actually, in 3 table, where is the 6th means you have to find here product. Answer is asked. All these are answers. There you have to find 6. What you will do is, yes, here 6 is there. You will take this number. Most of the children will do like that. Don't do that. In the product means in the answer, where is the 6 you have to find out. Okay, Nana? You will do mistake that only. I told Nana where is the 6 in the table. So generally what you will do, here you will find a ma'am, here 6 is there, 3 6 are 18 you will write. Don't write like that. Where you have to find 6, that is important. Where you have to find 6, Nana, equal to after means the answer part. Answer part you have to find where is the 6. That is very, very important. Most of the children will do, here 6 is there, anyway 6 is we find now, so continue that. Don't do like that. Where you have to find 6 in the table, in the answer part you have to find. Okay, now where you find Nana, here you find in the answer. So underline that. Okay, now 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are, at 2 you find 6. At 2 you find 6. Okay, now table completed. Third rule, subtraction. Third rule, subtraction. Now subtract. Subtraction means minus symbol. 6 minus 6, 0. Okay, by this what completed, Nana? One time division completed. One time we completed division. Okay, now we are moving to the second part. We are moving to the second part. Now, starting first rule. First digit checking. First rule, first digit ni check cheyali. Okay, now what is the first digit? 0. What I told first digit? You are the first digit. Now what you are? 0. 0 is small than the table. Yes, so you are a small number. You are a small number. So definitely you need other help. Definitely you need other help. Where వాళ్ళ help కంపల్సరీగా కావాలి, because you are a small number. You are a small one, small kid. So you can't go alone. Definitely you need other help. Okay? Now who will give help? So this number with you. Who is sitting in the back bench? 3 is sitting in the back bench. Now you are at first bench. So just you will turn back and just you will look at your friend who is sitting in the last bench. So what this 3 will do? Okay, my dear, don't worry. I will come and sit with you. Don't worry, you are small now. That's why don't worry. I will come and sit with you. So it will come and sit side of that. Okay, na? Now, first digit checking completed. Now, second rule. Second rule what, Nana? Table. You have to check the table. Now, tell me. You have to find out 3, not 0, 3. 0, this 0 has no value. This 0 has no value. That's why you check in the table where is the 3. Where is the 3 means? Tell me. It's not an answer part. Equal to after. Equal to after. Where is the 3? Where is the 3? Here. Just underline that line. Just underline that line. Okay, Nana? So now 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Down of 3 only you write. Okay? Now, second rule table completed. Third rule, subtract. Now subtract. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. 0. Now second time division completed. Now third time. Third time. Third time every time you have to follow those zeros. First digit is small than the table or not. First digit is now this is the first digit. This 0. This 0 is small than the table. Yes, small. So what you have to do? You have to take other help. But anybody are there to help you? Anybody are there to help you? Nobody are there. So you have to sit alone. You have to sit alone. Okay, ma? tell me what is the coefficient here? 21, right? 21. Copy it. Monday onwards, what I thought I will show again, Nana. Up to Saturday I won't show because I already told that one. Means Saturday one also I will. Screen share. Okay, I will show later. Right. Have you completed this? Already you know how to write. That's why I'm not drawing the line boxes. I'm not writing. I think you are able to write how correctly. Yes? Okay, after this problem, again leave line. Again, leave line. I think you are all completed this. Shall I erase this one? Okay, I'm going to erase this, Nana. Next problem, leave line. After the first problem, leave line and start. 393. 9 one box, 3 one box. 393. Okay, Nana? Now, start. Table you have to read 3 table only. So, 3 table here. Follow 3 rules for every time. Okay? First time we are doing, isn't it? You have to follow those 3 rules. First digit checking, table checking, subtraction. Okay? Now, first rule. First digit checking. First digit, you have to check. What is the first digit here, Nana? 9. What is the first digit here? 9. 9 is small than the table. 9 is small than the table. What I told, this is you. You are 9 now. Now you are 9. Are you small now? Are you small than table? No. Will you need any help? Will you need do you need any help from 3? Do you need, Nana? No need of 3 help. So 9, no need other help because you are somewhat grown up. Okay, na? So 9 is not small than 3. That's why 9 don't take 3 help. Okay? So now find out. Second rule is table. Second rule is table. First digit checking completed. Now second rule table. In 3 table, where is the 9? So forget about these 3. In 3 table, where is the 9 you check? Where is the 9? Here is there 9. In this place also 9 is there. In this place also 9 is there. Tell me where you will take. Here is there. 3 3s are 9 is there. 3 9s are also 27. Where you will take? Answer part. Answer part means equal to after where is the 9? That one you have to take. So equal to after 9 here is there. So underline that line. Underline that line. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 table at 3 you are getting 9. 3 table at 3 you are getting 9. Look at my finger. 3 table at 3 you are getting 9. Everything you will do correctly, and some children where you will do mistake is You will write 9 here, you will write 3 here. That also you have to be careful. You have to move your finger like this. Here, up, down. Table, up, down. Table, up, down. Okay? 3 threes are 9. Table you have to show first. 3 table, up. 3 threes are down. 9. 3 threes are 9. Okay, ma? Now, third rule, subtraction. Minus. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. By this, subtraction completed means one time division completed. Here by this we completed division. Now we are moving to the second time. Okay? Second time is, again you have to follow these 3 rules. Second time is, again you have to follow 3 rules. First rule, first digit checking. I told this is you. This is you. Now you are 0. Now you are 0. 0 is small than the table. Now, will you go to the dark room or you need any help? Definitely you need any help because you are a small kid. You are a small kid. So, what you will do? Automatically just you turn back and look at the 3. So, 3 will come and sit with you. 3 will come and sit with you. Don't worry, I will come and sit with you. So, 3 will come and sit with you. You are 0. You are appearing. That's why 3 will come and sit with you. Because it is sitting at the back bench. That's why she will come and sit with you and she will give some courage to you. Okay, Nana? Now, what is the number? Is it 0, 3 or 3? 3 only. This is 3 only. Now, second rule, table checking. In 3 table, where you get 3? In 3 table, where you get 3? Here 3 is there. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Answer part you have to check. Here 3 is there. 3 ones are 3. So write 3 ones are 3. 3 table up, down. 3 table up, 3 ones are down 3. Now second rule completed. Third rule, subtraction. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay? Now second time completed. First time, second time. Second time completed. Now third time. Again you have to start those. First digit checking. 0 is small than the table. Yes. So you need other help. But everybody are there at the back bench. Nobody are there. Nobody can't help you. Just you have to sit alone. So this is 0. So coefficient here, coefficient is 31. Copy this. If you copy that, I will say today's homework, ma. Make it fast. I think somewhat better than previous class. You understood? Somewhat better than previous class. Yes, that is different model. 3 table 84 means after this model I will start that one. First you follow this one. If I say every model now itself, you will get confusion. Okay, Nana, I will start that model after this. By using 3 table 84 division, I will start it later. First you follow this method. Okay, Nana, now I'm going to share today's homework. This is yesterday's homework. Who didn't do, just take screenshot, later copy. This is yesterday, means in the last class homework. 26th homework this is. Take screenshot. Okay. And this is today's class. Today's class, take screenshot, later you copy that. Put it into, take screenshot, later you copy it. And this is today's homework. Today's homework. Take screenshot, later you do that. I think we will do, everyone will do. Try to do that. Now you have social class. Ready with your social bookmark. Take screenshot homework. From the first page, I already showed on Saturday. Again, you are asking. Okay, Nana, ready with your social book. See you in the next class. Good afternoon, children. How are you all? I told you to get ready with your social class book. Are you ready with your social class book? So, term 2. Already we have completed 3 lessons, question and answer. So, today we will begin with lesson 4. Okay? Means of transport. So, when you write in the class book, okay? So, you will write as lesson 4. Of course, the textbook you have got lesson number 7. Why? Because it is mixed with science and social. So, but when you write in the class work, so already I told you, so this is 4th lesson, lesson 4. So, write the heading also. So, on the first line, lesson 4. So, below the line, means of transport. Write the heading, means of transport. All of you write, children, fast. Means, MEANS, of transport, TRANSPORT, transport. So we'll begin with question and answer. So after this, leave a line, okay, and start writing first question. Write fast, all must write along with me. Question number 1. Name some vehicle, name, finger gap, some vehicle that move that so I hope you will write the date today's date, children. So every day whenever you do the work, the class work, okay, or in any notebook, you will write the date. So all of you write the date also without forgetting. Name some vehicles that move on the land. On the land. L-A-N-D, land. So all must write on the line. So this is the question. So after the question, leave a line and start writing the answer. So the question is, name some vehicles that move on the land. So what are some of the vehicles that move on the land, children? So in the answer you write, answer, cars, comma, buses, comma, scooters, S-C-O-O-T-E-R-S, scooters, comma, motorcycle, M-O-T-O-R, motorcycle, comma, motorcycle, auto rickshaw, A-U-T-O, after that small hyphen, rickshaw, R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, auto rickshaw, comma, bicycle, bicycle, and cycle rickshaw, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle rickshaw, small hyphen, full stop. The answer ended, full stop. Right fast. So lesson number 4, means of transport. First question, name some vehicles that move on the land. Answer, cars, buses, scooters, motorcycles, auto rickshaws, bicycle and cycle rickshaws. So after each, okay, after writing each vehicle name, put the comma, and at the end, after bicycles and cycle rickshaw, put full stop. Right fast. if you are ready, you can put the question and answer box that you are ready. Yes, if you have completed, then I can move on to second question and answer. So today, someone's birthday. Nathan Sahar. So happy birthday, Nathan Sahar. May God bless you. Write fast, children. Unable to write means take the screenshot. Narishat Sridhar also is having birthday. Yes. Nagin Sabha. So all those who are having birthday, happy birthday. Are you ready, children? Shall I repeat off? Yes. First question and answer. Those who are not ready, please take the screenshot. Afterwards, you write. So for second question and answer, turn the page. Take the fresh page for second question and answer. Completed. That's it. Completed. Very good. Okay. So second question and answer. Start writing second question and answer. Question number 2. Take the fresh page. Which means which means of a transport. Transport. A transport is used for traveling in hilly areas. Leave a line and write the answer. So which means of a transport is used in hilly areas, children, for traveling? Answer. So helicopters. Helicopters please. Used. For traveling. Traveling in hilly areas. Full stop. So write fast. So the question is, which means of air transport is used for traveling in hilly areas? Answer: helicopters are mostly used for traveling in hilly areas. Right fast. Which means of air transport is used for traveling in hilly areas? Answer: helicopters are mostly used for traveling in hilly areas. The answer is very simple. Okay. Write fast, children. Ready? So those who are unable to write, please take the screenshot. So I hope you have completed. Yes, very good. Hemakesh is ready. Very good. Yeah, completed. Joseph Harshit Reddy also completed. Yes, very good. Shall I repeat? Second question and answer. So we move on to third question and answer. So for this also take the fresh page. Okay. Take the fresh page. Start writing. Question number 3. Which means of transport will you use? Will you use to travel in desert? To travel, travel, travel in desert. DESERT. Question mark. Desert. So leave a line, children. Okay? So, answer. Which means of transport will you use children? Desert? Yes?